time a different subtitle or image pops up, you hear these annoying sound effects in the background. Do you know how much hours I spent on each video finding these annoying sound effects and implementing them into every one of these videos every single second just to keep you, the viewer, engaged? My computer has over 40 megabytes of these 5-second MP3 files that no one really fucking cares about. What has happened to YouTube? Is this what it's gotten into? Is this really what YouTubers need to keep you, the viewer, engaged? Just so you can watch until the end of this video? This video fucking sucks. So I started typing in test mouse clicking transition swiping riser.mp3.